Wide belt sanders are a crucial tool for woodworkers and other professionals who need to sand large surfaces. They are efficient and effective, making them popular in woodworking shops, furniture manufacturing, and even automotive manufacturing. However, it's essential to consider several criteria when choosing a sander, such as the size, belt type, motor power, and dust collection system. Expert insights and tips can help you make an informed decision and choose a machine that meets your needs. For instance, a variable speed control and a large working table can be beneficial. Stay tuned for our top-ranking wide belt sanders in the market. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best wide belt sander from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Grizzly Industrial 5 HP Wide Belt Sander. The Grizzly Industrial G0527185 HP Wide Belt Sander emerges as a powerful tool for refining large wooden surfaces. With its broad 18-inch sanding belt, driven by a strong 5-horsepower motor, it adeptly handles even the most challenging sanding jobs. Its sturdy construction and adjustable table guarantee easy operation and personalized customization to suit specific needs. Whether you're an experienced woodworking expert or a passionate do-it-yourself enthusiast, acquiring the Grizzly Industrial G0527185 HP Wide Belt Sander is sure to elevate the effectiveness and excellence of your workshop projects, offering enhanced efficiency and superior quality results. Number 2. Powermatic WB25 Wide Belt Sander. The Powermatic WB25 25-inch wide belt sander emerges as an impressive solution for tackling demanding sanding projects, effortlessly handling even the toughest tasks. Driven by a robust 15 HP motor and featuring a wide 25-inch belt, it swiftly removes material and creates impeccable surfaces on a variety of materials including wood, metal, and more. Its adjustable variable speed control empowers users to customize the pace according to specific task requirements, while the adaptable conveyor bed ensures a consistent finish with every pass. Designed for durability, this sander is constructed with a sturdy steel frame and resilient components engineered to withstand extensive use. If you're in search of a reliable and high-performance wide belt sander to enhance your craftsmanship, the Powermatic WB25 stands out as an outstanding choice for your workshop arsenal. With its superior capabilities and enduring construction, it promises to elevate the efficiency and quality of your sanding endeavors, enabling you to achieve exceptional results with ease and precision. Number 3. Grizzly Industrial H2934 Double Head Wide Belt Sander. The Grizzly Industrial H2934 3720 HP 3-phase double-head wide belt sander emerges as a remarkable and highly efficient tool designed specifically for refining extensive surfaces. With its expansive 37-inch wide belt, this sander is well equipped to handle even the most substantial projects effortlessly. Featuring 2 sanding heads, it ensures a flawless finish, while the formidable 20 HP motor provides ample power to expedite tasks with efficiency and precision. Tailored to meet the discerning requirements of professional woodworkers and dedicated do-it-yourself enthusiasts alike, this sander exemplifies durability and consistently delivers remarkable results. Number 4. Bailey Industrial Wide Belt Sander 220V. The Bailey Industrial 1018228 220V 20 HP 3-phase 2625 FPM wide belt sander is a sturdy machine meticulously designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional woodworkers and metalworkers alike. With its powerful 20-horsepower motor and impressive belt speed of 26-25 feet per minute, this sander excels in efficiently refining large wooden and metal pieces with precision and speed. Its broad belt and adjustable feed rate ensure smooth operation across a variety of materials, offering versatility in your projects and allowing for customization according to specific requirements. Furthermore, the integrated dust collection system plays a pivotal role in maintaining a clean and organized workspace, contributing to enhanced efficiency and safety during operation. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial G0866 Wide Belt Sander. The Grizzly Industrial G086637 15 HP wide belt sander with industrial roller embodies a top-tier apparatus meticulously engineered to tackle extensive sanding tasks with ease. Designed to cater to the needs of both professional woodworkers and dia enthusiasts, this sander serves as an indispensable companion for swiftly and effectively refining large wooden pieces. With the support of a robust 15 HP motor and an industrial roller, it demonstrates exceptional capability in managing even the most challenging sanding projects. Its intuitive design and comprehensive range of features make it a standout investment for individuals seeking a high-quality sanding solution. Essentially, the Grizzly Industrial G086637 15 HP wide belt sander with industrial roller epitomizes excellence, offering reliability, efficiency, and formidable power, thereby establishing itself as an unmatched choice for those in search of a dependable sanding solution. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. If you want to know the product price, please do check my description for any kind of problem, and please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.